To get a tax refund on Cash App, you need to set up direct deposit and have the IRS send your refund to your Cash App account. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your device. Open the app and tap on the profile icon. Then select the Cash Card option. Scroll down and look for the direct deposit option. Then click on Get Account Number. You will need to provide some personal and employment information to set up direct deposit. This includes your name, date of birth, social security number, and address. Once you have entered all the required information, you will receive your account and routing numbers. To get your tax refund deposited into your Cash App account, you will need to provide the IRS with your account and routing numbers. You can do this when you file your taxes, either online or with the help of a tax professional. Make sure to select the direct deposit option and enter the account and routing numbers you received from Cash App. It can take several days for the IRS to process your tax return and deposit your refund into your Cash App account. You can check the status of your refund on the IRS website or by contacting the IRS directly. Once your refund is deposited, you will receive a notification from Cash App and you can use the funds immediately. It is essential to note that Cash App does not charge any fees to receive your tax refund. But you may be charged a fee if you want to use the instant deposit option to access your refund immediately. Additionally, you can use the funds in your Cash App account to invest, send money to friends, or transfer them to your bank account. To avoid any delays or issues with receiving your tax refund, make sure to double-check the account and routing numbers you provide to the IRS. Also, ensure that your Cash App account is active and in good standing. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily get your tax refund deposited into your Cash App account and access your funds quickly and securely.